Hello guys, so welcome. In today's video I'm going to be explaining to you this new Paws mystery quest tax, which is going to be giving you 1 million Paws. Now there is a lot of panic everywhere and some people are kind of like they don't know how to do it. They don't know even how to unlock this tax. And if you tap on this place, if you tap on the tax so you can see what you are going to do, unfortunately you won't be able to see anything for you to do. So now here is why I come in. First of all, do not panic and do not feel as if maybe it's your own Paws that is not actually functioning or you're having a problem with your own Telegram account. Just calm down and listen to me. Now first of all, if I want to explain this, I'll have to just go back to Paws Telegram official channel. Now this is my own actual Paws Telegram bot account. As you can see, the mystery quest to unlock 1 million Paws, and if I tap on it, it's not opening. You can find this on the end. So tap on yours, it's not opening. Now here is the reason why. Now let's go back to Paws official channel. I'll just tap on back and now here am I. Now this is it. Now this is what is written here. Are you guys seeing it? If you check on it, let me just take my time to read it. Are you guys seeing it? Okay, now this is it, guys. They say what it takes to get a milli, that is 1 million Paws. Now they say there is no tax. I love you ×3. Secret quest is live. Some challenges aren't meant to be solved. Don't think too much. So now guys, what this is trying to say is that the Paws developers and devs, the team, they are just trying to pull a quick one at us. It's just actually like a cloud chasing, because it's not actually possible for them to give you 1 million Paws. Just imagine, they have about 15.3 million subscribers and over 7 million monthly users. So it's not possible for them to just gift everybody 1 million Paws. You understand? If there is another tax that is going to come forth, it's not going to be as much as 1 million. It's going to be less. As you can see on my own Paws countdown, you can see as at when I'm making this video, it's just left about it just left about 12 hours to do this. Are you guys seeing it? So do not panic whatsoever. So do not feel as if maybe you are going to miss out. No, you are not missing out anything. There is no tax actually. It's just like a stunt. So guys, ensure you subscribe to this channel, you like and drop me a thank you in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching this video from. I just saved you stress. So ensure you subscribe and drop me a thank you in the comment section. Make sure you check my video channel. I made a lot of video for different other airdrops that you should be participating in. So as you subscribe, just scroll down my video. Watch my other videos. There are different airdrops that are going to be paying us in this 2024 as well as crossing to 2025. So there is no actually tax, so do not panic whatsoever. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe.